So guys, what's up guys? For today's video guys, I have tips for you. I have a frying pan here and then dagkutan. This is tips for you and for you all. I don't have, you see, I don't have oil. And I want sunny side up egg, but I don't have egg. So this one, you know what I do? Like this. I have banana leaf. I put over here. Ay, ipanantag to. Naraan siya. So I have egg. You see egg. You see egg, no? I-focus dire. So, this one I do sunny side up. So, if you see, I don't have egg, ha?
Ma, hapit na mo. Kuan mo, ma.
Sige dira. I-focus dire.
Dira, iyan na.
I put salt.
Init na.
What's that? More ka? See? If you see, it's already cooked, no? So I have some cover. I cover.
Mama,
Because I want sunny side up egg, but I don't have any oil. So this is a tips, low budget in the mountain. You can cook sunny side up without oil.
Mama, tigay ko inanakang kaka.
Tara, wa pa man naluto, ato pa man nalutoon. Oh, see, almost cooked. This healthy.
Hapit na makok.
Almost cooked na.
Dede.